Mulak fan club 25 years ago.
Actually for Direct Paul, yeah. Laging mabigat ang isang movie na panoorin kung isang character ay parang may sakit or may taning ang buhay. Ang gusto ko lang malaman, Direk, will you give us a happy ending?
Oh my God.
Ang buungas ka rin naman, Tony. Alam ka naman sabihin. Pero malay mo naman.
Ano happy ending yan, Tony?
Sumagot.
Sure, yeah. I mean, anytime you're dealing with characters that have an illness or a sickness, yes, it's definitely heavy. But I would like to think the way we approached it was Ali's attitude was to live life and not to dwell on the problems that she was facing. And that's why I feel Bea was just perfect for the role because she brought life to Ali. She literally seized the day, and Bea, she lived, she loved now. And I think, actually Bea said it really well, kanina. You had two characters, the irony of two characters where one was giving up on life and one wanted to live life. And that's why when they both met, it's literally sparks, fireworks, and it's gonna be great.
At hiling namin, habang nanonood nga kayo ng pelikula, iniisip niyo sana wag umabot pa sa ending. Kasi ganun niyo siya sana ma-enjoy. So, huwag natin isipin muna yung ending.
Yeah, because parang, yung journey nga ng Nick and Ali is just to... And kaya nga yung sinasabi ko, even kay Edward, yung role niya, parang... Ang hirap ikwento kung ano yung role niya talaga. Because there was that role, there wasn't that role before, then came that role, then wala yan, then there came that role again talaga. And that role became really special. So, it's just nice. It's just parang happy to have worked with this young, serious, very serious with his craft and his love life. Atas!
And may mga happy ba sila watching First Love? Your fans, your followers?
Yeah, I think so as well. I just want to thank... We just saw each other yesterday, No, something I want to say to all of my fans and viewers is that I could not be more blessed to have a more understanding and patient fan base. Because I see a lot of, there's so much negativity on social media, and I see, when I see you all in person, it's such a blessing because no one's more patient with me than you guys. So also, I want to say thank you to everyone here now, especially to you, Kuyagan and Ate Bea, because as a young artist or actor, I mean, you see a lot of different actors and you see a lot of people saying, ay, ganun dapat, ganun dapat. And then you watch TV and you say, oh, that's how they should act. And I'm thankful because now I feel I know what alam ko kung ano dapat. Like, you should just be real. And I feel blessed because I don't think a lot of actors or newbies get to have that experience and get that advice from veteran actors as well, icons.
Veteran.
No, thank you, generally. Direct Paul, thank you for allowing me to be in this movie as well too. I learned so much from all of you guys. So much gratitude, and I've never been more proud of anything I've done in my life so far. So yeah, thank you so much. Very much.
Pero alam mo,
Sige nga, Bailey.
ang
I wanna
sarap
hear.
talaga, ang sarap ng pakiramdam sa amin na mas matagal na sa industry na pag nakakita ka na mas bata sa'yo, tapos tinitignan niya yung craft na to the same way that you look at the craft. Na hindi lang dahil sikat ka or ano yung, alam mong seryoso siya. Ako sobrang saya ko na nakikita ko si Edward habang nagtatrabaho kami sa Vancouver that he takes this seriously. Hindi enough yung famous ka or you have to love what you do and he loves what he does. And it makes me so happy.
Yeah, and to add to that, with Edward, it was my first time to work with him, but I found it, he was just really brave you know, for somebody at his, you know, he's been in the street for just what, a handful of years, and for him to say yes and jump into this kind of role, to get to work with, you know, great actors, I think for me this it's if he continues his focus and if he continues to work hard, he's going to be one of those great actors.
Wow! May pa-tribute sa'yo, Dwarf na ngayon.
Stay
Sa
brave.
PTR.
Stay brave.
Sabi ni Alvin, andito po ako. Anything to say kay Alvin, direct? You've done, ilang days ulit sa ano?
And I mean, and then, you know, like I said, we're not just saying this because we're promoting with him, but with Albie, what I really appreciate with Albie is he also auditioned for the role.
Okay.
Because his role, I wanted to get somebody, I didn't know who was perfect for the role. I had to see it, right? And for an actor like him, you know, who's done many films, has been in the industry for also so long, for him to also just come and audition and without any commitment, I thought that was, that meant a lot to me, the fact that he did that. And when he got to the audition, he really prepared for the audition. Hindi lang pumunta sa audition na, okay, you know, he also wanted the role.
And he got it.
And he was dressed, yeah, he was dressed for it. I mean, I said Vancouver, so he came in jacket. So,
Hindi pala yun ang kailangan.
yeah, so, yeah, I mean, the fact that he was willing to audition and he owned the role, and when he went to Vancouver, he totally became Sebastian. He was also, you know, yes, it's a support role, but very vital also to the story of Nick and Ali.
Baka si Baby sasabihin, Queen, go ahead. Kay Alvin.
Then I was able to connect with him kasi importante yung chemistry namin dun eh. Ano kami, magkapatid at best friend. So, napaka-importante noon na parang dapat madali kaming nagko-connect sa isa't isa. And I was able to do that with him kasi he was also committed.
Okay. Si Kuya may sasabihin, Alvin, si Aga, si Kuya Aga.
Again, you know, his age. He's not Edward. You know, he's older.
Correct.
So he's just there on the set and he snaps in his role. Ganun siya. Bigla na lang he's that Sebastian there. And you see him and he's quiet. He's in and then he's out. He's in and then he's out. No. Ang galing lang ginawa mo nun. And then we even challenged him with one scene.
Reaction.
We even challenged him with
Ano kasi hindi ko yun eh. Ano ko yun?
in the park.
Oh my God!
So, you know, last ko na sasabihin to lahat pinag-uusapan to, and Edward and I just agreed na parang, it's just magic really. I keep on saying this, parang, even the roles, sakto lahat, no? It was just nice. So, parang, talaga, thank you, Lord. Oh my God. Such a parang wonderful miracle.
Nakakalata bang talaga na? Enjoy talaga kami. Love namin yung isa't isa. Baka
Dito
nanginip
sa atin
na kayo.
lang ang
Ina-admire namin yung isa't isa. Pasensya na kayo talaga.
Ay, Alvin, reaction sa mga sinabi nila. Director, ang ganda ng sinabi sa'yo.
Wala lang, sobrang...
Wala lang?
I'm so happy, sorry. Nakakapag ako eh. Like, nagkakaroon ng times na wala akong eksena, pero I still hang out on set. Yeah, like I just want to observe them.
May wonder why.
Mas kapatid ka ng Queen Bea Alonzo. Kapatid mo ang role, di ba?
Oo.
Wow.
Pero ayaw pa rin niya ikwento kung ano ginawa niya sa Vancouver.
Oo.
Kwento mo na kasi, Alvin.
Secret na natin yun.
Mamaya na lang sa one-on-one. Okay, I think we're good from my
Yes,
end.
but before anything else, we'd like to say hi to our friends from SM, headed by Miss Ruby Reyes.